Okay, so before we start this intro, this is me like a week in the future from when we actually filmed this. I just want to let you guys know this is going to be one of our last videos that we upload, like, I wouldn't say daily, like every other day or like every 4 days and stuff. We're starting school, back to school, yay. So this is our freshman year of high school. I just want to let all of you guys know that we will still be here. We're going to have like a every 1 or 2 week upload schedule. It's going to be pretty bad, but we got school, and I just want to let everyone know before we start the video, upload schedules be crazy. We don't really have a scheduled one yet, but we will let you guys know because school is a lot more important than this. I'm sorry, we don't do this full time. We do this for fun, and school, stay in school, okay? But just want to let you guys know that. So yeah, let's take a look inside this tackle box. What's going on, guys? Brandon here from South Fork Fishing. We haven't uploaded a video in a while, so we're going kayak fishing this weekend. So we're at our grandparents' house for a family reunion, and they have 2 super old vintage tackle boxes. Now, we already opened one of them because I was letting my camera charge, and me and Tyler were opening it. So, by the way, my brother's in this video. Say hi, Tyler. That's my brother. So we have this other one, and we're gonna open it and see what we can find. All right, Tyler, let's open it. Whoa.
Okay, no, we're just gonna look at the first one, then we'll go like.
Okay, so some hair jigs.
Oh, whoa.
Look at this. Oh, it's nasty. That is nasty. This thing. It's called the Top and Pop Creek Chub. Interesting.
Whoa. Yo.
Does this thing fold all the way down?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a lot of stuff.
Spoons. Holy crap. Look at that.
Look at all these spoons. Look at this, they got a pike lure.
Oh, wow, yeah. Oh my God. Brandon,
Look at that thing.
catch giants.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Well, that's kind of cool, too.
This is so cool. Okay. Alright, let's give him a...
What?
Whoa. It's probably a leader. Alright, let's give him an in-depth look. Real quick. He just opened the box.
This is what he has spooled on the 2 bait casters.
Yeah. So much cool tackle in here, guys. I mean, look at this. That is insane.
Oh, look at that.
Look at all this stuff. This is the old one here. This is the not. I mean, this one looks a lot older. I mean, look at some of these lures, man. Like these old hair jigs and this giant chatterbait hair. Like this hair feels like actual hair.
Holy crap.
Oh, it's the old dip net. That's nasty. Ew, it's an old dip net.
Well, this one looks too shabby.
Whoa, look at this thing. What's this thing called? The pike minnow.
It's not really a minnow if you ask me. Oh God, we got a secret box.
This
Oh,
thing?
there's some nice stuff. What size?
Not really sure.
Size
what that is.
1.
Let's see what you got there, Tyler.
Pretty long.
They good ones?
I mean, they're like way too long, but
Nice. Look at this popper. That is so weird. That's awesome, man. Whoa. Oh, look at that old knife.
I think it's broken.
Think so?
Yeah, there's no knife in it.
No blade?
That sucks. The blade's gone.
What's that? Oh, stuff in there.
You could put stuff in
Here,
it.
let me see it.
Wait, Gin Bass 17.
The Gin Bass. Here, let me see it. Sin Bass.
Oh, I can tell.
Fluger Blue Dog. Oh, the lure went in here. It's made out of wood. That is so awesome.
Holy crap. Look at that leader.
Whoa. That's a rig right there.
Yeah, it's rig.
Here, let's get an overview of the whole box. Can you move your foot real quick? Like, out of the frame. Here, I'll just take a picture. Okay, let's take one last look.
Can I see your bait caster?
Yeah, you put it. Alright, let's take one last look at this box. My favorite thing in here is probably this thing made out of wood. That is just the coolest thing.
How?
What?
That cool.
What? It's like an old lure box.
I think, no, this is the coolest thing.
Well, yeah, the bait casters or whatever those things are. We got this like old jointed bait. This is awesome. We got this old like, what's this thing here? There's a bunch of other stuff
I'm
down.
gonna put a weight on this thing.
The ideal split shot.
I need some switch shots.
Okay. Opens with 2
Does he know how to
fingers.
hook around? Okay, we need to find a way here.
Can't open that up.
Count me out and count me full. Okay.
Look at this. It's like this old like prop worm, spinner worm thing. A paintbrush, an old paintbrush.
The heck?
Look at this old paintbrush. What the heck? That is so weird. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, there's another wood box. Oh God. Dude.
I know, I saw it.
Real oil? Oh my God, it looks like honey. Look how old this real oil is. That is disgusting. Bro, should we open it up? I'm gonna open it up. Okay. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, it smells so bad.
I think it was gonna smell good.
Take a smell of that. There we go. Take a smell of that. It's nasty.
I'm gonna cast, guys.
Okay, this old paintbrush is super cool. Alright guys, so it's the outro now. So you made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. We haven't uploaded in like a pretty long time, like almost a week now, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, so make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. Boom, there's me. Boom, there's South Fork. Boom, there's Rahul. Boom, there's Carter. And we have all of our names in the description if you didn't catch them. We have, not links, but like, we'll write them down. Because if we put a link, it won't show the right account. It's just weird. So I'll put our usernames, put our Fishbrains. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. South Fork Fishing, signing out. See you guys.